Select the image areas in focus. Select the image areas in focus. How to select the image areas in focus? Photoshop, by the way, lets you easily select the areas and pixels of an image that are in focus. And you should do the following now. We have steps. Step number 1. With the image open in Photoshop, choose select, then choose focus area. And in the focus area dialog box, you can make changes to the default selection, by the way. Step number 2. Adjust the in focus range parameter to broaden or narrow down the selection. If you move the slider to 0 and entire image gets selected. However, if you move the slider to the extreme right and only the parts of the image in clearest focus remain selected, like this image now. Look at this image carefully. You should choose select from here now. Then select focus area, like this screenshot. And in action, a focus area, by the way, selection using the default options, and use the brush controls to manually add or remove areas from the selection, like these icons. Look at this image again. Look at this screenshot. It's meaning that if you'd like to select a focus area, choose a select, then from select button, choose focus area, then choose this icon. Add areas to the selections manually. And if the selections area has noise, control it by adjusting the advanced then image noise level slider control. And also you can leave the auto option selected for in focus range and image noise level, and Photoshop automatically selects appropriate values for these parameters, by the way. And at any point while making changes to the focus area selection, you can toggle the preview option to see the original image, like this screenshot. So look at this image again. Select focus area, then select preview here now. Toggle the preview options. We have steps here again now. Step number 1. If necessary, select soften edge to feather the edges of the selection. Step number 2. If you want to tune the selection's edges, click refine edge. Then for more information about specifying the setting in the refine edge dialog box, see refine selection edges. And once you have adjusted the selection to your satisfaction, determine whether the refined selection should become a selection or mask on the current layer, or produce a new layer or document. And you can choose one of the following output options, by the way. You can choose selection, and you have to choose layer mask, and also choose new layer and new layer with layer mask, and also you have to choose new document, and you have to choose new document with layer mask, then press OK.